Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Ticketmaster Presale code. First of all, there are lots of different ways with which you can get a presale or offer code from Ticketmaster. So the first one is the Ticketmaster Presale, which is all you have to do is sign up to receive special offers from Ticketmaster, and you have to make sure to turn your notifications on your web browser. Once you've signed up, add your favorite artists, performers, teams, and venues to your favorite list, and so we can notify you about upcoming sales. So the other one is the Live Nation presale and album pre-order presale. Sometimes tours offer a presale code to the fans who have pre-ordered the artist's new album. Cash App, if you have a cash card from Cash App. And there is also a credit card presale, which is credit card companies like Citibank and Chase may offer their cardholders special presale access as perks for being loyal customers. Fan club members, some artists give non-fan club members early access to tickets when they purchase a special fan club bundle. With this bundle, you can get access to the specified pre-sale period with the purchase of an official fan club membership. In most cases, there is an additional cost associated with purchasing the fan club membership. Fan club pre-sale, radio pre-sale, social media pre-sale, you have to follow their social media accounts, Spotify pre-sale. There are a ton of pre-sales that you can also check, and that's how you can get your Ticketmaster pre-sale code. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.